Hey there, how to create a MEXC account. First of all, you go to the MEXC.com webpage, and this is what it's supposed to look like. The appearance might be different for you depending on your location, but the basic layout is pretty much the same. If you prefer the dark mode, you can go to the right upper corner and change the appearance over there, whatever you prefer. Choose your favorite mode and then just go to sign up. Enter your email address and click on next. Complete the puzzle and here create a unique password. As you see, the password should be strong enough. If you don't have any referral code, that's okay. You can use the referral code in the description below. Check the box over here and just sign up. You have received a 6-digit code to your email address. This is how the email looks like. Dear MEXer, welcome to the MEX, and this is your verification code. You can simply copy, paste it over here, and the confirmation goes automatically. Right after that, you are asked to complete your KYC verification. That means know your customer. In other words, to use advanced features on MEXC and increase withdrawal limits, you will need to complete the KYC verification. But for time being, we can skip it. And this is how the homepage looks like once you are signed up. Once you're inside the platform, it is recommended to go to the security. And right here you see that your security level is low. So you can enable your Google authentication or SMS authentication. To enable the 2FA, which means two-factor authentication, just go to Setup, and depending on your mobile phone, you can scan the code. On your mobile phone, you'll see the key, you will add the key, and your account is verified. Also, right under the profile, you see your UID. This UID you will need when you will want to set up your affiliate account, meaning MEXC has its own affiliate program, and if you want to make money with MEXC other than trading, you can also promote the platform and you can earn up to 50% commissions of the fees from your referrals. And in case you decide to go on a trading, it is recommended to finish your KYC. There are two options. There are primary KYC and advanced KYC. Primary KYC, you can provide your basic information. You can increase your daily withdrawal limit to 80 Bitcoin. With the advanced KYC, this requires more detailed steps, including facial recognition, and completing this will boost your daily withdrawal limit even further up to 200 Bitcoin. KYC helps ensure the security of your account, and it's a standard practice in the crypto world. Just follow the steps on the MEXC platform to get verified and you can enjoy the higher limits. One thing that is important, I would like to mention, the platform is not available all over the world, so let me share with you the list of the prohibited countries. And here is the list of restricted countries according to the MEXC terms page, last updated in July 2023. North Korea, Cuba, Sudan, Syria, Iran, China, Indonesia, Singapore, Venezuela, United States, Canada, and also Crimea. Please note that the list may change over time, so you can always check the terms of the MEXC platform by going to MEXC.com/terms, where you will have the fresh list of those countries. If you have questions about the MEXC platform, let me know in the comments below. Thank you, have a good one, and bye-bye.